So, have you ever wondered what it's like to be shot at while you're inside of the car? We have a nice BMW 325 that I'll be sitting in the passenger seat of while I get shot at by two people whose faces will remain faceless. So, yeah, I'll be sitting in the passenger seat. They'll be shooting at the trunk or the back door area where there should be a door. So, we'll see y'all in just a second. The legal team has informed me that I should have some kind of protection on my neck area. This is what this is. I think we're going to start with the 22. One round of 22. Why start small? Okay. Oh, god damn. Okay. I guess we can move to the 12 gauge. That's 22 again. This is 12 gauge. Now we've got 357 Magnum. Yep. Oh god damn, that's kind of loud. All right. Have you ever been inside of a car and you wondered what it was like to shoot it inside? Ow. There's glass all over me. I can't hear shit out of my left hand.
That's what happens when you shoot in a car.